Hi everyone, and this is the third part of validation checks. Here we are continuing with the fifth check, that is limit check. Basically, it is used to move within the limit or boundary data that is from 0 to 100. Let's suppose if you have set the range of age is 0 to 100 or 1 to 100, then if you enter -1 or less than 0, then the error message will be reported. And or even on the other hand, if it is greater than 100, then it will also report the error that if the data is out of the limit. So if you are focusing the age again, then if age less than 1 or age greater than 100, then the error message will be printed invalid age entered. 1 to 100, that means you are guided that if it is greater than or lesser than in these cases, then it should be within 1 and 100. And if now your check is ended. So now moving on to 6, that is known as length check. To find length of the digits string or word string or sentence. For example, if you are allowing the user to enter his name or his address, and for name you have allowed 20 digits, 20 characters, or this can be sometime digit string. So as I have already told you, so if the length is greater than 20 characters, then the error will be reported, and you will be printing that name length should be within 20 characters. Even you are guiding with the total number of characters being used. So this way the simple if construct is come to an end, and you are focusing just if the length is greater than 20, or if it is lesser than 20, then also it can be focused. So now moving on to the seventh check, that is known as format check. Basically, format check is used to check the format of the input mask. Inputting mask means that means, for example, if there are some dashes, some slashes, or some different types of format is printed, or you want to just enter the exact data, then you have to use the format check, and you have to apply the masking by using that data or by using that format check. Sometimes some languages provide the format function which you can use and to focus the field which you want to format according to its display format. So we are applying the check here. Then if format, that means within bracket date, the date you are going to check the date format, and the format you have written with mm/dd/yy. If this date does not correspond to this format, that means then it will report an error that date is okay, or if it is not according to this format, then the else print message will be displayed that date format is not correct. So this way that format will be applied. Now moving on to the next check, that is empty check. That is the check number 8, which I have numbered. So empty check basically is used to check whether the user has left the data field blank. That means some nowadays some fields are marked with static. That means they are the mandatory fields that they cannot be left blank. So if let's suppose let's suppose if you have to use this, so you can use or apply the check like this. If name field, you're testing the name field, this could be text, this could be name.text, or this could be name equals to empty. That means the blank strings, the blank quotations you will use, then you are just displaying the message data field cannot be left empty. And if you want to focus to other field, then that will come later on. So this is the simple check applied here to focus on empty check. So that's for now, and in the fourth video this will be further explained for about different checks from check 9 and onward. Thanks for watching.